Wilmington businesses are now forced to close their doors for longer to continue cleanup flood damages. Along Kirkwood Avenue, some businesses say it could be a week or more before they can reopen. And we've learned most businesses in the area do not have flood insurance. In the meantime, business owners hope to get any small business loans that they can.
Rain lasted about an hour, but the street filled up within about 15 to 20 minutes. I think the damage to our business is anywhere in the range of $80,000 to $100,000.
The emergency management director says the federal disaster application should be signed and ratified by county commissioners tomorrow. Then they'll wait for a response from Homeland Security officials.